Performing a k-Anonymity evaluation for a dataset. In the age of big data, ensuring the privacy of individuals within datasets has become paramount. One effective method for achieving this is through k-Anonymity, a concept that helps to protect sensitive information while still allowing for data analysis. This study will guide learners through the principles of performing a k-Anonymity evaluation for a dataset, including its importance, methodology, and practical applications. Understanding k-Anonymity. Before diving into the evaluation process, it's essential to grasp what k-Anonymity means. K-Anonymity is a privacy protection model that ensures that any individual in a dataset cannot be distinguished from at least k1 other individuals. In essence, it means that each record in the dataset shares the same values for certain identifying attributes, making it difficult for anyone to re-identify individuals from the data. In other words, this means that for any combination of quasi-identifiers, attributes that can identify individuals, at least k records share the same values. Key principles of k-Anonymity. Quasi-identifiers. These are attributes that, when combined, can potentially identify an individual. Examples include age, gender, and zip code. Generalization. This involves replacing specific values with broader categories. For instance, instead of displaying exact ages, you might represent them in age ranges, e.g., 20 to 30. Suppression. This technique removes certain values from the dataset to prevent identification. For instance, if a specific group is too small, their data might be suppressed to maintain anonymity. Importance of k-Anonymity. Data privacy. In today's data-driven world, protecting personal information is crucial. K-Anonymity helps mitigate the risk of identity theft and unauthorized access to sensitive data. Compliance. Organizations are often required to comply with regulations such as GDPR or HIPAA, which necessitate the protection of personal data. Implementing k-Anonymity can help meet these legal requirements. Data utility. While protecting privacy, k-Anonymity allows organizations to still derive meaningful insights from the data, balancing privacy and utility. Steps to perform a k-Anonymity evaluation for a dataset. Step 1. Identify identifiers and quasi-identifiers. Before performing a k-Anonymity evaluation, identify which fields in your dataset are direct identifiers, e.g., names, social security numbers, and quasi-identifiers, e.g., age, gender, zip code. Quasi-identifiers are often the fields that need to be anonymized. Step 2. Data preparation. Prepare your dataset for analysis. This may involve cleaning the data, handling missing values, and ensuring that the dataset is structured correctly. Data preparation is essential for accurate evaluation. Step 3. Apply generalization and suppression techniques. To achieve k-Anonymity, apply generalization and suppression techniques to the quasi-identifiers. Generalization. Replace specific values with broader categories. For example, instead of using exact ages, you might group ages into ranges, e.g., 20 to 30, 31 to 40. Suppression. Remove certain values entirely from the dataset. This is particularly useful for unique identifiers that could lead to re-identification. Step 4. Calculate k-Anonymity. Once generalization and suppression have been applied, calculate the k-Anonymity of the dataset. The k-value can be determined by counting how many records share the same values for the quasi-identifiers. Diagrammatic illustration. Below is a simple illustration of how k-Anonymity works. In the above table, if we focus on the 20-30 inches age group and male, gender, we see that there are 5 individuals, thus achieving k-Anonymity with k equals 5. Step 5. Evaluate data utility. After achieving k-Anonymity, evaluate the utility of the dataset. This involves assessing whether the anonymized data still provides valuable insights for analysis. Consider whether the generalization or suppression has compromised the data's usefulness. Step 6. Iterate as necessary. If the k-Anonymity achieved is too low or the utility is compromised, you may need to iterate on your generalization and suppression strategies. Balancing privacy and data utility is often a delicate process that requires fine-tuning. On the whole, performing a k-Anonymity evaluation for a dataset is a critical process in safeguarding individual privacy while still allowing for meaningful data analysis. By understanding the principles of k-Anonymity and following the outlined steps, learners can effectively evaluate datasets to ensure compliance with privacy regulations and protect sensitive information. If you are interested in diving deeper into k-Anonymity and data privacy, consider exploring scholarly sources such as the following.